everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to Kiseki Japanese Language Institute. Kiseki Nihongo Gakko e yokoso. Today, as you can see, we are going to learn days of week in Japanese language. Even if you are someone who is working from office, if you are going to school, or if you are someone who is a college going student, you always need to remember what day is today, right? So every day we watch calendar, we look at it and we decide if it's a day of work, do we have to do some errand today, or do we have to go somewhere, do we have to rest. For everything we need to know the days of week, right? So let's dive into days of week today. Let's start. Okay, the best thing about days of week, okay, the easiest thing to remember is that, like in English language, let's say if we are going to learn days of week, this word day is a common word for all the days of week, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day word is common. It's same in Japanese language as well. The word yobi, yobi is week, okay? Yobi is common for all the days of week, okay? So you just have to remember the first one or two alphabets and just add yobi as a suffix, okay? Suffix for days of week is yobi. Just add yobi after the initial alphabets and you can remember all the days of week quickly, okay? So let's start with first day, that is Sunday, the most favorite of all of us. We want to rest, we want to enjoy, right? Sunday is Nichiyobi. Nichiyobi. Okay, so Nichi is something related to sun. Okay, Nichi, this word means day or sun. Okay, there is kanji for it in Japanese language. Today we will not learn kanjis because there is a what we can say, there are different videos for learning kanji. When we will do that, then I'll also show you how to write the kanji of Nichi. For now you can remember it as the word Nichi represents sun, okay? It is something related to sun, hence Nichiyobi. In Japanese language, all the days of week have certain elements, okay? They represent certain elements of nature, hence Sunday represents sun, okay? Let's see what the other days of week also represent, okay? So the word for Sunday is Nichiyobi. Let's see what Monday is. Monday is Getsuyobi. Getsuyobi. Again, Getsu, okay? Getsu or Tsuki. These are the two pronunciations of moon in Japanese language, okay? So Getsu means moon, hence the sign of moon is given here, okay? Getsuyobi is Monday. Let's see Tuesday. Kayobi. Kayobi. Can you guess what this element is? I hope my drawing is bit okayish. Okay, this is fire element. Okay, this is fire element. Kayobi. So this ka comes from word ka or kaji, which is fire in Japanese language. Okay, so like I said, different elements of nature. Okay, so kayobi. Ka, the Japanese alphabet ka, just add yobi after it, so it becomes kayobi. Let's see next alphabet, not alphabet, sorry. Let's see next word, Wednesday. Okay, suiyobi. Suiyobi. Sui or mizu means water. Okay, sui or mizu are the two pronunciations for water, hence suiyobi. Okay, water element. Suiyobi is Wednesday. Okay, let's see what is Thursday. Thursday is Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. Okay, Moku, just add yobi after it. Now, Moku or ki means a tree. Okay, it represents tree, wood, or something related to tree, wood, forest. All these are clubbed kanjis in Japanese. Okay, so Moku represents wood or tree, hence the tree element. Right? So mokuyobi. Mokuyobi is Thursday. Let's see how do we say Friday. I'm repeating the words so that you will be able to remember it. Okay. Friday. Friday is kinyobi. 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 Okay. Here also yobi is common word. Just add kin before it. Kinyobi is representing gold. Okay. Kin is there is a kanji for kin, or there is also a kanji for okane, that is money, which is similar. Okay. So kin represents gold, currency, not currency, sorry, gold or money. Okay. Kinyobi is gold. I hope you are able to see the drawings that are here. Okay. And lastly, Saturday. Saturday is doyobi. Doyobi. Again, yobi is common. Just add do before it. Doyobi. Doyobi. Doyobi represents land. Okay. A piece of land on which there are trees, buildings, or anything could be there. Okay. So a land is represented by this kanji of do. Now why I am telling you this? Okay, because when we start learning kanjis, you will realize that the kanjis in Japanese language, or the words, have some kind of meaning or an idea or a concept behind it. Okay, that's how Japanese language is read. Okay, not just from reading the script, but let's say if there was a kanji which looked very much like sun, okay, and just by looking at it you could understand, oh, this kanji means sun, right? So even if you couldn't read what it is pronounced, still you will be able to understand what is the meaning of it. That is the beauty of Japanese language. Hence kanji is very, very useful, right? So when people start learning kanjis, initially they struggle a lot, they find it difficult. There are so many pronunciations, so many different kunyomi, onyomi, and so many things to remember, right? But this is the beauty of Japanese language. Once you get used to it, once you get used to learning kanjis, you will understand that Japanese language is so much easier with the kanji in it. Okay, so let's come to this part again. Kanjis are something which are similar to these characters or the elements that are written here. Okay, when we will start learning kanjis, we will learn some more about it. Okay, let's come back to days of week again here. I would also like to tell you what is one week called in Japanese. Okay, so the week is called as shu. Okay, shu. There is a suffix called shu. So let's say you want to say that 1 week duration. You want to say as 1 week duration. Then you can say ishukan is 1 week. Okay, ishukan is 1 week duration. Nishukan 2 week duration, like this. Okay, let's go back to days of week. Okay, so let's try to see if there is a shortcut to remember this. Yes, there is. Okay, you don't have to remember the yobi part, you can just add it. The way I remembered it is ni ge kasu mo kindo. 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 Okay, this is how you can quickly remember all the 7 days of week. Just remember Nige Kasu mo kindo and you are done with it. Okay, so with this we come to end of our days of week in Japanese language. Stay tuned for more videos. We are soon going to upload lots of videos related to Japan, Japanese culture, and obviously Japanese language to learn here. Okay, bye bye, Jane.